to back party jollof rice. And also because say they get Timber wey don dey show say him na man of caliber. And make we no forget say the Blues, Chelsea, they dey for the background with their new manager Mauricio Pochettino. And also dem don get Nkuku wey sabi kuku for front of goal. And Manchester United fans dey yarn say dem na the Red Devils. They go dey gidigba for ground like Mason Mount. And Liverpool fans dey believe say this season dem no go waka alone because say World Cup winner McAllister don show face. And also dem don get a player wey name na Dominic Zoboslai wey Oga Pirou dey talk say im go call am Zobo for short. And the oga kpatakpata of dem all wey dey show say Oba no dey go transfer Manchester City wey don win the league the last 3 seasons in a row back to back. Dem also still dey for ground. So na wetin be your prediction for this season? Which team go win the Premier League? Which teams go make the top 4? And which teams go go